Scalar Heart Connection enables us to discover what is holding us back from achieving what we really want in our career, relationships, self-confidence, and connection with the divine within us. By simply understanding the heart matrix and applying the quantum healing codes, we can decode our problems and limitations and receive guidance on how to move forward to achieving our goals. This online course will teach you how to use the Scalar Heart Connection process for yourself and for others as an essential tool for opening the heart to the vibrations of unlimited intelligence and the guidance it provides in experiencing a more satisfying relationship, peace of mind, emotional and psychological harmony, abundance, harmony at home, family, self-esteem, prosperity, and divine connection, etc. Take the online course and learn from the founder, Stephen Linsteadt, the science behind the scalar energy of the quantum field and how our heart is connected to that intelligent field. You will learn about the quantum healing codes as a powerful modality and how their vibrations come together to support greater coherence within the chakras and body-mind system. Stephen will also explain how sacred geometry and the keys of Metatron and the chakra personality traits all come together to form the heart matrix behind the process and how and why it works. Most importantly, Stephen will teach you how to do a session for yourself, clients, or family, and how you can become a certified practitioner of Scalar Heart Connection, the resonance of what we want to create in our lives. You will be able to internalize the wisdom of the universe in every area of your life, integrating the essential principles that he will share with you. You will discover how to create a powerful collaboration between your conscious mind, subconscious mind, and your heart in a safe way to identify and transform limiting beliefs, perceptions, and blockages. Most importantly, Stephen will teach you how to do a session for yourself, clients, or family, and how to become a certified practitioner of Scalar Heart Connection. The course includes a demonstration by Stephen on how to do a session so you can see it in action. You will be able to integrate all this experience into your path of transformation to support and nurture the evolution of humanity in a powerful, simple, and effective way. When you change, the world around you changes. If you're curious, I encourage you to visit our website scalarheartconnection.com and check out the course. It will add so much to your practice as a life coach, psychologist in a corporate setting from improved teamwork, or just wanting to improve your relationship with yourself. Please take advantage of the free app Ask Your Heart session available on our website. This way you can experience the process firsthand. And after this course, you will never see yourself, others, and the world the same again. You will begin to see everything through the eyes of the heart. Our invitation is for you to start connecting every day more and more to that beautiful heart of yours, so you can hear nothing but your heart and those of others. Thank you.